Move-in ready 3 to 4 bedroom home west/bump outs for extra fin. Living space on all 3 levels. Entry level has 1 car garage, rec room, den, laundry, and full bath. Main level offers living room, fam room, breakfast room and spacious kit. Upstairs is a large master west/vaulted ceiling and private bath west/separate. Shower and garden tub, 2 more Bdrms and a 3rd full bath. Backs to wooded common ground. Across from community tot lot.